The oil pressure sensor monitors engine oil pressure and alerts the driver when pressure drops to dangerous levels. When this sensor malfunctions, you may receive false warnings or no warning at all. Recognizing these symptoms helps prevent misdiagnosis and protects the engine from potential damage. Number 1. Oil warning light flickers. A flickering oil pressure warning light is one of the most common symptoms of a failing oil pressure sensor. This flicker often appears randomly, even when the engine has proper oil pressure and the oil level is within the correct range. The sensor's internal electrical contacts may weaken over time, causing inaccurate signals to be sent to the dashboard. Drivers may notice the oil light blinking at idle, during sharp turns, or when accelerating from a stop. In reality, oil pressure at idle is usually lowest, so the sensor may misinterpret normal low idle pressure as a fault. When the light goes off during acceleration, that fluctuation often reflects a sensor issue rather than a lubrication problem. Although flickering can indicate real oil pressure problems, a consistent pattern of random flickering with a healthy-sounding engine strongly suggests sensor malfunction rather than true pressure loss. Number 2. Oil light stays on constantly. A constantly illuminated oil pressure warning light can be alarming, but when the engine operates smoothly, the oil level is correct, and there are no unusual noises, the likely cause is a faulty sensor. A stuck or internally shorted oil pressure switch can send a continuous low-pressure signal to the dashboard. This results in the red oil light remaining on from startup to shutdown, regardless of actual pressure. If mechanical oil pressure were truly low, the engine would exhibit symptoms such as knocking, overheating, or rough running. When none of those symptoms are present and the oil light refuses to turn off, the sensor or wiring leading to it may be compromised. Even minor wiring corrosion or a damaged connector can cause a persistent low-pressure signal, making a thorough inspection important. Number 3. Erratic or incorrect oil pressure gauge readings. Vehicles with an oil pressure gauge rather than just a warning light can show more dramatic symptoms of a bad oil pressure sensor. A failing sensor may cause the gauge needle to behave unpredictably, swinging rapidly from high to low, sticking in one position, or reading 0 even when the engine has adequate pressure. The gauge may also show maximum pressure immediately upon startup, which typically indicates the sensor is providing incorrect data. This erratic behavior often has no connection to engine temperature, RPM, or oil condition. The sensor sends electrical signals that the gauge interprets as specific pressures. When those signals become distorted, the readings no longer reflect reality. In many cases, these readings have no correlation to actual engine operation. A mechanical oil pressure test can confirm whether the gauge is inaccurate due to a bad sensor, which is a common outcome. Number 4. No warning light. During real low pressure, a dangerous but less obvious symptom of a bad oil pressure sensor is the absence of a warning light during actual low oil pressure conditions. When the sensor fails internally, it may become incapable of detecting genuine pressure loss. This means the dashboard warning light never illuminates even though the engine may be running with dangerously low oil pressure. This is especially hazardous because real low pressure can cause severe engine damage, leading to bearing wear, valve train noise, lifter collapse, and potential catastrophic failure. Drivers may only notice subtle signs such as ticking noises, rough idling, or overheating before realizing that a lubrication issue exists. If the oil light never activates despite mechanical warning signs, the sensor or its wiring is likely faulty. In such cases, immediate manual verification of oil pressure is crucial to rule out an actual lubrication problem. Number 5. Check engine light illuminates. Modern vehicles often monitor the oil pressure sensor through the engine control module. When the sensor sends implausible or inconsistent signals, the ECU records a diagnostic trouble code and illuminates the check engine light. Codes such as P0520, P0521, P0522, or P0523 typically relate to oil pressure sensor circuit faults. These codes may accompany an oil pressure warning light, an erratic gauge, or they may appear by themselves. When the check engine light activates due to sensor issues, the engine usually continues running normally because the lubrication system is not actually compromised. The ECU simply recognizes that the sensor circuit is malfunctioning. This symptom helps technicians distinguish between real pressure problems and electrical issues within the sensor system. Number 6. Engine runs. Normally, despite oil warnings, if the engine feels smooth, operates quietly, and shows no signs of mechanical distress, while the oil light or gauge indicates a problem, this strongly suggests a faulty oil pressure sensor. True low oil pressure almost always produces noticeable symptoms because critical components such as camshafts, crankshaft bearings, and lifters rely on adequate oil flow. When pressure is genuinely low, drivers typically hear knocking, tapping, ticking, or metallic sounds that grow worse with RPM. If none of these noises are present and the engine temperature remains normal, the oil pressure reading is likely false. This symptom is valuable for distinguishing sensor-related warnings from legitimate lubrication problems. Nonetheless, verifying the oil level and condition is always recommended before concluding that the sensor is at fault. Number 7. Oil leaks from the sensor area. Some oil pressure sensors are designed with internal diaphragms or seals exposed to engine oil. When these seals fail, oil may seep through the sensor body or escape around the electrical connector. Over time, vibration, heat cycles, and oil contamination can cause the sensor casing to crack or the sealing surfaces to break down. Drivers may notice oil accumulating on the engine block near the sensor, on nearby hoses, or even dripping onto the ground. A leaking sensor not only affects the sensor's functionality, but can also reduce oil levels if ignored. In severe cases, the oil may enter the electrical connector, contaminating the wiring harness and causing further electrical issues. Replacing the sensor quickly prevents additional leakage and ensures accurate oil pressure readings. Number 8. Engine enters limp mode. Although relatively uncommon, some vehicles may enter limp mode when the oil pressure sensor repeatedly reports dangerously low oil pressure. Limp mode restricts engine power and RPM to protect internal components from potential damage. If the sensor falsely indicates that oil pressure is critically low, the ECU may respond by limiting performance as a precautionary measure. While this response is intended to prevent catastrophic engine failure, it can be triggered by sensor malfunctions rather than real oil pressure drops. If limp mode occurs but the engine shows no symptoms of lubrication problems, the sensor or its wiring may be misleading the ECU. Confirming actual oil pressure with a mechanical gauge is essential before further diagnosis. Number 9. Recurring oil pressure. Warnings after service. If oil pressure warnings appear immediately after an oil change or after replacing the oil pressure sensor, this can indicate wiring issues, poor electrical connections, or a defective replacement sensor. Recurring warnings without accompanying mechanical symptoms often point to a sensor circuit problem rather than oil pressure failure. A damaged connector, corroded wiring loom, or contamination in the sensor plug can create false signals that mimic a failing sensor. Additionally, using incorrect oil viscosity may cause temporary pressure irregularities that confuse the sensor. When warnings persist despite correct oil level, proper viscosity, and normal engine operation, the sensor system requires a complete inspection to restore accurate readings.